Jennings has been expounding on autos for over 30 years, after stretches as a cab driver and as a workman in the Chrysler Demonstrating Grounds Effect Lab. She was a staff author at Auto and Driver magazine, the primary official editorial manager and previous president and proofreader and head of Car magazine, the organizer of the blog Jean Knows Autos and previous car reporter for Good Morning America. She has lifetime grants from both the Engine Press Organization and the new Britain Engine Press Affiliation. Search for more disgusting title segments later on. The new 2018 Jeep Wrangler's model assignment is JL, my unique initials, as in Jean Lienert. Try not to Google that. You'll see I kicked the bucket in 2014 in Pittsburgh at age 85. I take this JL thing as a sign from God that I should at long last purchase another Wrangler, the principal auto I had always wanted when my fantasies included sparing $25,000 and living off the matrix in a one-room log lodge with the greater part of my cast press pots and skillet. I did live in a small log lodge once, yet when I found there was no line for telephone, fax and printer, I walked down the Earth Street a half-mile, thumped on a more peculiar's entryway and acquired their telephone to call AT&T. Such a great amount for living off the matrix. Thus much for the Wrangler. I purchased a truck, which was helpful, yet it was not a Jeep, a reality affirmed when I found an occupation expounding on autos. Among the Porsches and Passages and Ferraris and Avoid power wagons were Jeep Wranglers.